Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to evaluate any cryptocurrency's investment potential. So make sure to watch the full video. Crypto-curious investors have changed the face of the cryptocurrency market over the past year. Before you look into the price action, you actually have to look at what we call the fundamental analysis, which is picking the right asset for the right goal. We've talked to dozens of experts about how to invest in crypto as smartly and safely as possible, and a few ground rules have emerged, whether you're investing in Bitcoin or a new token that was created yesterday. They are true of all cryptocurrency investments, and especially so for riskier and newer altcoins. Keep crypto investments to 5% or less of your portfolio. Only invest in crypto what you'd be okay losing. Make sure you have an emergency fund, have paid off high interest debt, and secured a traditional retirement plan before investing in crypto. Start with Bitcoin and Ethereum, the most popular and mainstream cryptos. Whether you're just getting started, or interested in going beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, here's a rundown of how you can evaluate any cryptocurrency's long-term potential. Understanding crypto fundamentals. If you're investing in crypto for the long haul, you should have a fundamental understanding of what you're getting into before deeply looking at the technical factors that affect a cryptocurrency's market value. Focus more on the project itself, on the problem it's solving, and on where it is actually deriving its value, says Daniel. When analyzing potential crypto investments, there are several qualitative factors experts recommend looking at when you're doing your own research and deciding whether to invest in a potential coin. Project website and social media. Experts say it's important to consider an initial high-level overview of the project. Check the crypto project's website and social media channels to also get a sense of how socially active the project is and gain greater insight into the project, the team, and its community. The project website should be easy to navigate, functional, and openly share details about the project, the team behind it, and its white paper and roadmap. The credibility and experience of the team behind a project can play a significant role in its success or failure of it. If the team is not openly disclosed, that's a red flag. Bitcoin is the exception. You'll also want to look at the team's prior experience in the crypto market and other projects they've worked on. For example, you'll want to know if this is their first project or if they have a solid history of developing successful crypto projects. Additionally, look at the executives of the project team. Projects with reputable executives or partnerships with established firms are also a positive signs. White paper and roadmap. As an investor, a critical component of assessing a coin or token's long-term value is the project's white paper and roadmap. A solid crypto project will have a strong and well-defined white paper and roadmap. A white paper is a document produced and released by a crypto project that gives you technical information about its concept to help you determine whether it has any merit. Whereas a roadmap helps set expectations on how a crypto project plans to grow and evolve with its hopeful success and adoption. I read the white paper, so I can understand where the value is coming from, says Daniel. In a roadmap, you want to see a general timeline providing details of the project's development. If the project doesn't have a clear vision with a white paper and roadmap, you should question its future success and value of it. Major investors. Determine whether the project already has investors and if so, who they are. It's a good sign if the project has already been invested in by well-known investment firms or big-time investors. It means they've done their due diligence and believe in the project's long-term viability. The community. For many crypto projects, the community supporting the project can make or break a given crypto's potential. The enthusiasm and size of the community play a large role in the initial and continued success of the project, though you should be careful with this factor when assessing a coin or token. Sometimes, hype can exceed and even mask a project's actual utility or value, which is why you shouldn't invest in a coin or token solely based on hype and should take the time to become familiar with all the factors above before putting too much stock in its community. It can be a very confusing environment to figure out what's what and who is who, especially when you have a lot of people really pumping it or being very zealous about it. Doug Boneparth, a financial advisor and president of Bonafide Wealth in New York, told Next Advisor. Though subjective, your goal is to reach a perspective on whether the asset is overvalued or undervalued. Having these things in mind will guide your selection of potential coins to invest in. Once you've nailed down the fundamentals, you can use more technical indicators and metrics as a supplement to help inform your investment decisions. Thanks for watching.